Well, the last year has truly brought home the fact that all of us are vulnerable when it comes to our health. So today, we're learning more ways to protect what matters most to all of us.
And here to talk about simple life insurance solutions are the president of Family First Life, Sean Mike, Nina Damjanovic, and Hayden Hill. Welcome to all of you.
Thanks for having us.
Welcome back to you.
I know, good to see you guys.
Thanks for being here.
Absolutely.
I want to talk about just last year and just what we've experienced. Unprecedented, right? So it's been a difficult time, the pandemic. How has Family First Life basically been able to just work around all this, Sean?
We, when all this changed in the world, we didn't realize how many people were going to contact us for needing life insurance. We already had an army of men and women that were saying, I need some help. And that went, 4, 6, 7, 8 times. So we were trying to keep up. So our business has exploded because a lot of people started thinking about the mortality. And then we were socially responsible. Go out and meet with you in person, social distance, do it over Zoom, over the phone. And the world's changed so much that everybody's adapted to doing things over the phone, through Zoom. So we've had a heck of a year protecting families. We've had more people than ever contact us.
So Nina, Hayden said, there are a lot of people who are coming to the table who want insurance, but some of them are apprehensive and they have some misconceptions. What are they?
Yeah, I think a lot of people think that it's a long process and it's difficult when we really actually make it really simple. We also have products for anyone, and so even products where if you outlive the term, you don't get sick during that term, you can actually get all your premiums back at the end of it.
Being a broker in this industry is so awesome. We just have an option for everyone. No matter what their age, health, or habits are, we can get everyone protected.
And Sean, talk about the experience also, because I've experienced brokers who just make it so complicated, and at that point, I'm like, I'm lost, you lost me.
Yeah, I wouldn't have gotten this business 12 years ago if it was complicated. Confused people can't make a decision. So we just have a very, very simple approach to the process.
Well, Nina, Hayden, for the two of you, why did you want to become, agents to begin with, and how hard was the process?
The process was honestly super simple. So all you have to do is just get your life and health insurance license, and then once you acquire that, then you're basically good to go. We have a full-blown training system with Family First Life that helps agents get trained and ready to sell.
Yeah, I think most people get into the business, myself included, because obviously there's great income potential, but the work that we do is really fulfilling. So we get to help a lot of people, meet with a lot of different people from all walks of life, kind of hear their story, and then like Sean said, basically just whatever they want, we're there to serve them and help them, and then get what they want in place immediately and make it not confusing, super simple.
And this is in person or over the phone?
Correct.
Either or.
So with this pandemic, let's talk about the fact that you were able to help so many people out there. So many people also were able to get good jobs and make good money. And Family First really I think it distinguishes itself a little bit more than others.
Well, our goal is just to protect people. Our goal is to go out there, shoot you straight, talk about what you can get, what you can't get, make sure we stand up for your family. And we want to leave you better than we found you. And that's our job. Now, if you choose not to buy life insurance, choose not to buy it. But the experience has to be one which you sat with somebody who really cared about you, and then allowed you to make the decision. But if we make it simple, it's the only product you're going to buy and everybody's going to use. And if we can make sure we do it non-medically, no blood work, urine going to a doctor, I think we have a solution for everybody, as Nina said, and it's a gratifying business to be in.
Well, now, if somebody wanted more information, where would they go?
FamilyFirstLife.com. So if you go on to FamilyFirstLife.com, you can look at information about getting life insurance, about working with us. We're looking for agents all over the country. You can take the course online. And the reality is, once you go ahead and get your license, sit for a state exam, we provide the training, which is pretty straightforward. It is life insurance. It's not that complicated if you don't make it complicated. And you can get going immediately.
Well, I'm getting old, so maybe I can look for a second job.
Same here, for sure.
You're both hired.
Thank you so much for your time. I appreciate it. And if you'd like more information, check out our website. What is it?
Of course, thebalancingAct.com. We'll be back right after this.